Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to delete your World of Tanks Blitz account step by step. If you just want to take a break or close your gaming account for personal reasons on World of Tanks, then follow along till the end of the video. First of all, open up your World of Tanks Blitz game on your device and make sure that you're inside this lobby screen. From the left hand side menu, click on the gear icon at the bottom left and this will open up the settings page. From the settings, go to the right hand side and look for account management button and tap on it. Now under account management, click on delete account. Now enter the code or the text that has been shown on the screen for verification and finally click next. You'll receive an email verification code sent to you. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox. You'll receive an email from wargaming.net. Now there you will be able to see a confirmation code. Simply type this confirmation code inside the app. After typing down the code in the text box, click the next button and follow through the on-screen prompts. Now in the pop-up box, confirm that you'd like to delete the account. Once you confirm, your account and its tasks, resources, and progress will also be permanently deleted. You will not receive any compensation or be able to restore your account, so make a wise choice. After you tap on delete in red and confirm that you'd like to delete your account will then be deleted permanently. And that is how you easily delete your World of Tanks Blitz account in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.